Since its introduction in 2018, the Garmin Instinct series has garnered a loyal following, thanks to its rugged design, advanced features, and exceptional performance. The series has evolved significantly. Notable updates that have further solidified its position in the smartwatch market. The solar variant, which harnesses the power of the sun to extend battery life, was a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. The Esports Edition, designed specifically for professional gamers, showcased Garmin's willingness to cater to niche audiences. The second generation, released subsequently, brought substantial upgrades, including enhanced GPS capabilities, improved health monitoring, and refined design elements. With this impressive trajectory, it's no wonder that rumors surrounding the Instinct 3 have generated immense excitement. As Garmin continues to push boundaries and innovate, fans eagerly await the next iteration, expecting even more impressive features and capabilities. New Fenix model, Garmin Fenix E. Garmin is poised to unveil a new addition to its Fenix line, Fenix E, which is already generating buzz. However, the most tantalizing prospect is the rumored Instinct 3, whose leaked images have sparked intense interest. These images, circulating online, suggest a refined design and potentially upgraded features, fueling speculation about the smartwatch's capabilities. It's essential to approach these leaks with caution, as their authenticity remains unverified. Garmin has maintained a neutral stance, neither confirming nor denying the existence of Instinct 3. This air of mystery only adds to the anticipation, leaving fans and enthusiasts eagerly awaiting official confirmation and details about the latest installment in the Instinct series. As the rumors continue to swirl, one thing is clear: Instinct 3 has the potential to be a game changer in the smartwatch landscape. What to expect from the Instinct 3? The rumors surrounding the Instinct 3 prove accurate. Garmin's latest smartwatch may debut with a sleek, updated design, potentially incorporating new materials or a refined aesthetic. This could include subtle tweaks to the watch's physical appearance, such as a revised case shape, fresh color options, or innovative materials that enhance durability and comfort. Beyond its looks, the Instinct 3 may also boast enhanced functionality, building upon the solid foundation established by its predecessors. Rumored upgrades could include improved GPS capabilities, such as enhanced signal reception, more accurate distance tracking, or advanced route planning. Advanced health monitoring features, like enhanced heart rate tracking, stress monitoring, or personalized wellness insight. New smart features, including expanded notification support, intuitive music control, or seamless integration with Garmin's ecosystem. While these possibilities are intriguing, it's essential to note that they remain speculative until Garmin officially unveils the Instinct 3. As the rumors continue to circulate, fans and enthusiasts eagerly await concrete details about the latest addition to the Instinct series. Stay tuned for updates. As the rumors surrounding Instinct 3 persist, we'll keep you informed about any breakthroughs or updates. While the authenticity of the leaked images remains uncertain, one fact is undeniable. Garmin Instinct series has cultivated a devoted fan base, eagerly awaiting the next iteration. The Instinct 3's highly anticipated release is a testament to Garmin's reputation for delivering innovative, high-performance smartwatches. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, fitness aficionado, or tech enthusiast, the Instinct series has established itself as a benchmark for excellence. As we continue to monitor the situation, stay tuned for confirmation of the Instinct 3's existence and features, official release dates and availability, hands-on reviews and in-depth analysis. Get ready to experience the latest innovation from Garmin and discover how the Instinct 3 can enhance your active lifestyle. With its loyal following and Garmin's commitment to excellence, the Instinct 3 is poised to be a game changer in the smartwatch landscape.